name is Himanshi Chaurasia. I study in class 8th. My school name is UPS Malhupur Mandhata Pratapgarh. I am going to tell you about the element symbol of the periodic table and its chemical grade. H hydrogen and chemical grade non-metal, Li lithium and chemical grade alkali metal, Na sodium and chemical grade alkali metal, K potassium and chemical grade alkali metal, Rb rubidium and chemical grade alkali metal, Cs caesium and chemical grade alkali metal, Fr francium and chemical grade alkali metal, Be beryllium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Mg magnesium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Ca calcium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Sr strontium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Ba barium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Ra radium and chemical grade alkaline earth metal, Sc scandium and chemical grade transition metal, Y yttrium and chemical grade transition metal, La lanthanium and chemical grade lanthanide, Ac actinium and chemical grade actinide, Ti titanium and chemical grade transition metal, Zr zirconium and chemical grade transition metal, Hf hafnium and chemical grade transition metal, Rf rutherfordium and chemical grade transition metal, V vanadium and chemical grade transition metal, Nb niobium and chemical grade transition metal, Ta tantalum and chemical grade transition metal, Db dubnium and chemical grade transition metal, Cr chromium and chemical grade transition metal, Mo molybdenum and chemical grade transition metal, W tungsten and chemical grade transition metal, Sg ceoborgium and chemical grade transition metal, Mn manganese and chemical grade transition metal, Tc technetium and chemical grade transition metal, Re rhenium and chemical grade transition metal, Bh bohrium and chemical grade transition metal, Fe iron and chemical grade transition metal, Ru ruthenium and chemical grade transition metal, Os osmium and chemical grade transition metal, Hs hassium and chemical grade transition metal, Co cobalt and chemical grade transition metal, Rh rhodium and chemical grade transition metal, Ir iridium and chemical grade transition metal, Bh bohrium and chemical grade transition metal, Ni nickel and chemical grade transition metal, Pd palladium and chemical grade transition metal, Pt platinum and chemical grade transition metal, Ds strontium and chemical grade transition metal, Cu copper and chemical grade transition metal, Ag silver and chemical grade transition metal, Au gold and chemical grade transition metal, Rg rhodium and chemical grade transition metal, Zn zinc and chemical grade transition metal, Cd cadmium and chemical grade transition metal, Hg para and chemical grade transition metal, Cn copernicium and chemical grade transition metal, B boron and chemical grade submetal, Al aluminium and chemical grade transition metal, Ga gallium and chemical grade transition metal, In indium and chemical grade transition metal, Tl thallium and chemical grade transition metal, Ns nihonium and chemical grade transition metal, C carbon and chemical grade non-metal, Si silicon and chemical grade submetal, Ge germanium and chemical grade submetal, Sn tin and chemical grade transition metal, P billet and chemical grade transition metal, Fl flerovium and chemical grade transition metal, N nitrogen and chemical grade non-metal, P phosphorus and chemical grade non-metal, As arsenic and chemical grade submetal, Sb antimony and chemical grade submetal, Bi bismuth and chemical grade transition metal, Ms moscovium and chemical grade transition metal, O oxygen and chemical grade non-metal, S sulfur and chemical grade non-metal, Se selenium and chemical grade non-metal, Te tellurium and chemical grade submetal, Po polonium and chemical grade submetal, Lv livermorium and chemical grade transition metal, F fluorine and chemical grade halogens, Cl chlorine and chemical grade halogens, Br bromine and chemical grade halogens, I iodine and chemical grade halogens, At astatine and chemical grade halogens, T adenosine and chemical grade halogens, He helium and chemical grade inert gas, Ne neon and chemical grade inert gas, Ar argon and chemical grade inert gas, Kr krypton and chemical grade inert gas, Xe xenon and chemical grade inert gas, Rn radon and chemical grade inert gas, Og ognesium and chemical grade inert gas, Ce cerium and chemical grade lanthanide, Pr praseodymium and chemical grade lanthanide, Nd neodymium and chemical grade lanthanide, Pm promethium and chemical grade lanthanide, Sm samarium and chemical grade lanthanide, EU europium and chemical grade lanthanide, GD gadolinium and chemical grade lanthanide, TB terbium and chemical grade lanthanide, DY dysprosium and chemical grade lanthanide, HO holmium and chemical grade lanthanide, ER iridium and chemical grade lanthanide, TM thulium and chemical grade lanthanide, YB ytterbium and chemical grade lanthanide, LU lutetium and chemical grade lanthanide, TS thorium and chemical grade actinide, PA protactinium and chemical grade actinide, U uranium and chemical grade actinide, NP neptunium and chemical grade actinide, PU plutonium and chemical grade actinide, AM americium and chemical grade actinide, CM curium and chemical grade actinide, BK berkelium and chemical grade actinide, CF californium and chemical grade actinide, ES einsteinium and chemical grade actinide, FM fermium and chemical grade actinide, MD mendelevium and chemical grade actinide, NO nobelium and chemical grade actinide, LR lawrencium and chemical grade actinide. Thank you.